In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play car parking multiplayer with your friends. All you have to do to access the multiplayer function of Car Parking Simulator and play with your friends is to go over here, click Start at the left side of the screen, and you will be able to choose between levels, single player, and online game. Click Online Game if you want to play with your friends. As you can see in here, your name will be displayed at the top left, and this is important because this is how you are going to connect with your friend. So note down your name, and you will have to choose one in the environment. I also recommend you tick this box. This way, only your friend can join, so you can set a password to make it more secure so other random people don't join. After you select any of these environments, you will be able to include your friend username over here at the bottom right, and as long as both of you join the same room ID, so for example, I'm just gonna type out here, example, as long as both of you are connected, you will be able to select the spawn environment over here and tap start, and both of you will be connected into the same map. Sadly, I can't show this on screen because I don't have another phone with me and to connect both to the same map, but as long as you and your friend input the same ID and both of you are connected, you will be able to play car parking multiplayer with your friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play car parking multiplayer with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.